Alright, so today we're going to be learning about the final keyword. Now, throughout the last few videos, we've discussed different ways we can manipulate a variable. However, what should we do with the variable that should never change? For example, the year we were born will always stay the same. There's no way we can change that information. A value like this is our code. This in our code should be unchangeable as well. To declare a variable with a value that cannot be manipulated, we can use the final keyword. Now, use the final keyword. To use it, we just put final in front of whatever we have. So, when we declare a variable using final, the value cannot be changed. Any attempts at doing so will cause an error to occur. So let's create an unchangeable variable called pi, which is double. So I'm sure uh, in math class you've probably used um, pi in your life in math. So equals 3.14, and pi never changes because it's basically a constant number. But we need to represent this using the final keyword. Now print the value of pi. So we can just print that out. System.out line, and then print out pi. Okay, perfect. Now on a new line, try to change the value of pi. So let's try and change it. We'll put pi pi. We'll use the combinations that we learned. So the plus equals, and we'll add 2 to it. Let's see what happens. Error, cannot assign a value to final variable pi. So since this is final, we cannot change it. Um, and that is basically the final keyword. It basically concretes the value that you put in. You can't change it ever again. So this makes it so that if you have someone else using your code, they can't change the variable name or the variable value, and that allows you to have a constant value. And in the next video, we'll be reviewing everything that we've learned and putting it all together throughout this entire module. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and stay tuned for this video.